Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about 5 most powerful candlestick pattern. Out of that, in this episode we will cover pin bar, bullish pin bar and bearish pin bar. If you are first to our channel, I would request you to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, that will really motivate us to come up with a really good and new videos for you guys. When you look at any chart, there would be two types of candle. One is a red candle and another is a green candle. Green candle indicates bullish nature and red candle indicates the bearish nature. How does this candle form? And we'll look at the basic of this candle. If you look at this green thing, this is the body of the candle. Red, this is body of the candle, and the upper shadow, and this is the lower shadow. And how does this form? So suppose consider this is the daily candle. When the market opened, the stock price was trading at 10 rupees. And then the buyer came and they pushed the price to the higher level and the closing was done at 15. So from cost price 10, the closing was given at 15, that is 5 point upside, and that's what made a body of green because it's a positive, okay, and upside. Within that day, it might have happened the market opened at 10 rupees, it might have went down to 8 rupees also, went up till 17, and the closure was given at 15. So this 15 to 17, that will make the upper shadow. This is the upper shadow, and this 8 to 10, that would be the lower shadow of the candlestick. Similarly here, when the market opened, the stock price was trading at 10 rupees. Seller came, the bear took the power, and the price went down, 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 and the closure was done at 5 rupees. So the 10 rupees stock went down to 5 rupees, and that's what made the red candle because the value has been depreciated over here. Within that duration, it might have happened that it opened at 10, it went up till 12, and then went back down till 3, and again came back and closed at 5. So this 10 to 12 will make the upper shadow over here, and this 3 to 5 will make a lower shadow here. Not necessary every candle will look like this. Some candles will give you complete no shadow. It opened here, it closed here, okay, or it will make a red or green. Similarly, it might happen like it will give no body also. It opened here, within the day it traded up and down, and the closure was given at here also, so no body. It might happen it will make something like this, body down, and then it might happen it will give you this kind of candle. So there are different types of candle, but we are going to learn the most powerful candlestick pattern which will tell us the trend in daily chart. If you are doing intraday trading, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, or you are checking monthly chart also, so on particular chart basis you can see the trend, if it's going the uptrend side or if it's going down to the downtrend side. So let's start with the pin bar. So there are two types of pin bar. One is a bullish pin bar and another one is a bearish pin bar. So first let's check what is a bullish pin bar over here. Bullish pin bar indicates the bullish nature. It means whenever you see this kind of candle in the chart, it will start the uptrend. It means it will go up. The stock price will go up. But there are different situation, different terms and condition that you have to check when you see the bullish pin bar. We'll go through that. So how does the bullish pin bar look? The bullish pin bar look like this. So there is a small body on the top. That is the first condition. There has to be small, very small body on the top, and the tail supposed to be the longer. It's supposed to be like a 2/3 of the entire candle. So small body and the long candle, that is the representation of a bullish pin bar. Not necessarily it should exactly look like this. It can look like this also. There is no upper shadow. That is also fine. That will also make it as a standard pin bar. Or if we see the exactly picturization, this is the pin bar with a upper shadow, that is also good. There is no body, no upper shadow, that is also fine. This will also make a bullish pin bar. We call it as a pin bar. The reason is it looks like a pin. it looks similar to a pin. That's why it is called a pin bar. Now, the color of the body, does it matter if it is green or colorless or red or green? It doesn't matter. It can be red or it can be green, or there shouldn't even if it's a colorless, like the stock open over here, went down and closed here, no body, so even that is fine. So all these bullish pin bar, all of these are considered as a bullish pin bar. Now, how this bullish pin bar, what is the concept of the bullish pin bar and what is happening that made a pin bar as a bullish? So the stock, suppose if it opened over here, it went down, seller pressure is there, profit booking is there, or bear is taking a control over here, but at certain level what happened, the buyer came, with full strength, the bull took a power, and then they pushed the price from here up 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 up, and they given a closing over here a little bit upside. It opened over here, it went down, and they pushed it back to the higher level, and it made a body over here, that is a green body. So it means though there was a bear over here, but now the power is taken back by the bull and they pushed it back. So bull are powerful, they are strong over here, that's the reason they made this pin bar over here. Similarly over here also, the stock price opened here, it went down, and then the buyer came and they pushed it to the level. It went a little bit up, but the closure was given a little bit higher to the opening. And similarly here, it opened here, went down, and given a closure exactly where it opened. So all of these have made a bullish pin bar. Similarly here, instead of making a green candle, it made a red candle. It doesn't matter. As long as it looks like a pin bar, it will give you the indication that the uptrend will start, but where and how, we will understand that. So now we know how the bullish pin bar look. It look like this, it look like this, and it look like this also. But the position of the bullish pin bar is very important. Whenever you see this pin bar in any chart, you cannot just simply take, oh, there is a bullish pin bar, now the uptrend will start. No, this will not start the uptrend. We have to consider the position also, and the position supposed to be at the support level. If you see this bullish pin bar near support, the support, for example, it can be anything. It can be 20 moving average, 50 moving average, 200 moving average, 100 moving average, anything, or even a 10-day moving average also. Okay, so if you see this bullish pin bar somewhere near there, then only it will work. How? I'll explain. See, the stock is like, suppose it is falling, it's falling and falling, but now suppose here there is a support of 20 moving average, 50 moving average, or 200 moving average, any moving average. It is in continuous falling downtrend mode, and at there it made this standard pin bar. It means it went down, but then at high volume the buyer came and it's telling us, no, we won't go down from there, there is the support, and they pushed the stock price higher level, and from there, after making this bullish pin bar, the stock will go upside. So we have to be at the support level. That is the major condition when we look at the bullish pin bar. Okay, so we understood, like, bullish pin bar look like this, the position supposed to be at the support level. Or there are two things, either you can consider this as a moving average, or on the left side, always look at the left side of the chart. Like suppose the chart was the stock was here, and then it went up, and again it was falling. Okay, now though there is not a support, but here on the left side it has already made a base. So like it made a base, it went up and it's coming down. So if you look at the left side, there is a base, so this will also act as a support. So there are chances that if it makes a bullish pin bar over here, it will bounce back and it will give you the upside rally. Okay, so let's have a look at the live example. So this is the Nifty 50 chart. This is the daily chart, and here I have drawn a 20 moving average over here just to check where is our support. Okay, now do you see any bullish pin bar over here? So we see a bullish pin bar over here. This is a red candle, but still, as we said, color doesn't matter. It can be red, it can be green, it can be colorless also. What do we have to check? It has supposed to be a small body. Yes. It is supposed to have a long wick, long tail. Yes, it does have. Along with that, it's supposed to be like a two-third. The long tail supposed to be of two-third of the entire candle. Yes, it looks like that. And the major condition is supposed to be at the support level. Are we on the support level? Yes, there is a support level of 20. Actually, there are two support level over here. The 20 moving average, and if you look at this chart, see the stock has done a consolidation over here. So it has made a base over here, which is like it's a kind of support. So there is a 20 moving average and the support is also there, and it have made this bullish pin bar over here. And what happened? Next candle is a green candle, and then the index price went up. So this is the power of the bullish pin bar. Okay, next one we will understand what is the bearish pin bar. Bearish pin bar is similar to the bullish pin bar, but it's only opposite. Like here what we have seen, the small body was at the top and long tail was at the bottom. Totally opposite now. The small body is at the bottom and long tail is on the top. That's how it will make a bearish pin bar. And the different types are also like this. No lower wick at the bottom, that's fine. Even if there is a lower wick, that is also considered as a bearish pin bar. If there is no body, no lower wick, that is also considered as a bearish pin bar. As we said earlier, color doesn't matter. It can be red, it can be green, it can be colorless also. Only the thing is, it's supposed to have a small body at the bottom and long tail should be on the top. That will make it bearish pin bar. Okay. Now, where we supposed to see this bearish pin bar? We have seen in bullish, it's supposed to be at the support level. So exactly opposite. Bearish pin bar supposed to be seen at the resistance level. It can be of 20, 50, 200 moving averages resistance. We can see it over there. Now, how does this work? First, we will understand. Like the stock is going in uptrend. Okay, it's going in uptrend, and what happened here? The stock opened over here, and then it was going up and up and up, but then there is a selling pressure. The bear took the power and they pushed down the stock price, and it came down, even down to the opening value, and that's where it made a bearish pin bar. It means the bull power is finished now. The bear took the power and it is pushing it down. It's pushing it downside. This is going downside. Okay, and that's where it have made a bearish pin bar. It means it's going to go down from here. So it's like the stock is moving up and there is a resistance. The resistance can be here. So there is a 20 moving average over here, 50 moving average, 200 moving average, or as we said, we have to check on the left side. If there is like here, it have made a top over here, then it fell. Again, it bounced back. It bounced back, and then it made a high. So as we see on the left side, there is a resistance. So it started again. So the sellers came over here. They started selling the stock and it went down, 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 and it made a bearish pin bar over here. And that's where it indicate the uptrend is finished now. Now the stock will go down and it will start its downward rally. Okay, so now we got what is the bearish pin bar, different types. The color doesn't matter, only matter is small body at the bottom and long wick at the top, and position also should be at the resistance level. So let's have a look at the live example. So we'll look at this Nifty Bank index, and this is the 3rd of Feb, and this is a 5-minute chart. So what we are seeing over here, the index was here. It made this kind of a resistance, like this index was trying to continuously break this top, but it couldn't and it fell down. Okay, and after that again it started going up, 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 up. But as we have seen, there is a resistance already over here. It made a high of this. It tried to break that high, but it couldn't because the seller took the position over here. Seller took the position and it started pushing the index down, and it made a bearish pin bar. See here, the bearish pin bar color is green, but color doesn't matter for us. It can be green, it can be red, it can be colorless, it can be just a body. All we want to check is like, is there a small body? Yes, there is a small body. Is there a long wick? Yes, it's a long wick. And is it a 2/3 of the candle? Yes, the long wick is a 2/3 of the candle. Okay, so all these conditions are met over here. Now the next condition, is this bearish pin bar at the resistance? Yes, there is a resistance. We see this resistance because this is an intraday 5-minute chart, so we will look at this resistance over here. Okay, so yes, there is a resistance, and because of that resistance, the index price has started going down. The next confirmation is this red candle. This made a bearish pin bar over here. It made a red candle over here, and then the stock went down. So those who have taken this bearish pin bar position over here after this red candle, they must have taken a good profit over here. Okay, so this is how the bearish pin bar and bullish pin bar work over here. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please put your comments over here. If you have any query, or if you don't understand any concept, or you have so many questions that you want to ask, just put all your questions, concerns, query. We will come back with our next episode where we will cover our remaining 4 most powerful candlestick pattern. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much.